In front of me, you will see 3 different types of Mod Podge. The first is the original gloss. The second is Aline's decoupage, which is a Mod Podge knockoff. The third is Scorch Markers, all-purpose, which should be a better version than both of these. But we can't just take our word for it. We are going to be sending all 3 versions of these Mod Podge to 4 different creators, but there's a catch. They're not going to know which one's which. I've labeled each of the jars 1, 2, and 3. We're going to let them do some experiments, play around with it, and they're going to tell us which one was their favorite and which one was their least favorite. Then we're going to share those results with you. This experiment is going to be a ton of fun. I can't wait to see which one they choose. Let's get our jars filled up. All right, we did it. Let's see which one of these ends up being the best Mod Podge. All right, now that we're done, we're going to wrap up each influencer package. We gotta put some more padding down there. All right. We did it. Let's get these packages sent off.